Model, 64-2014 Mercedes-benz Citan 109 Cdi Blueefficiency long MOT runs drives excellent. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 189558. MOT, the 30th of May 2025. Engine, 1461 cc 607 DE15 LA90 HP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work.